I bet I can make you sneeze in the next 60 seconds. First, you want to take 2 fingers, put them at the bridge of your nose, and just massage the bridge of your nose like this. Do that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then take 1 finger and just brush the entirety of your nose. Do that about 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, brush your nose 5 more times, but while blinking each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was harder than I thought. Step 4, hit the like button so I know you've been following along. And then the last step, step 5, just go like this and wiggle the bottom of your nose for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then